how to find the minus and cofactor of the given determinants. Before class I have told how to find minus of the determinants, and now you have to find out the cofactor of the determinants. First of all, to find the cofactor, we have to first of all find out the minor of determinants. Question will be given determinant of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. The given determinants, we have to find out the minor of determinants. How to find minors? So that to find minor of the determinant is what is the determinant? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. The given determinant. We have to find out the minor each and every element of the determinant. Each and every element of the determinant of a square determinant. That is the determinant of order 3 by 3. So that we have to find out that each and every element of the determinant to find out the minor of determinants. That is, if the determinant minor M11 means first row in first column. 1 first respective row and respective column. That is 1 is first row and 1 is also first column. So that M11 means this is the M11 positions of the determinants. So that we have to find out M11 means first row and first column. I mean deleting kardaba. And delete first row and first column. Then we have to write down the rest element by remaining element को देखिए determinant where like 1, 3, 4, 2. To find the M11. The process of to find the M11. Similarly, the process of to find the M12. M12 means first row, second column. First row and second column is that is an intersection part is this is M12. So that we have to now neglecting by deleting the first row and second column. This is the first row and second column. Then we have to write down the remaining element in determinant like is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Similarly, we have to find out now M13. M13 means first row, third column. The first row and third column. Then our deleting the first row and third column, and the remaining element can be write down in determinant way like it's 2, 1, 1, 4. 2, 1, 1, 4. This is the process to find out the minor of the given determinant. Now we have to find out M21. The प्रत्येक एलिमेंट रो माइनर फाइंड आउट करिया. प्रत्येक एलिमेंट मींस 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. प्रत्येक एलिमेंट रो में माइनर को फाइंड आउट करवा. So that now we have to find out M21. M21 means second row. The second row in first column. को deleting करवा. Then our remaining element को write down करवा in determinant way like is 2, 1, 4, 2. 2, 1, 4, 2. Similarly, M22. Also, देखो M22. M22 means second row in second column. Second row in second column. That is M22. 22 means second row. Is the second row in second column. Then we have to write down the remaining element 1, 1, 1, 2 in determinant way like it 1, 1, 1, 2. Now M23. M23 means second row and third column. The second row now we have to deleting the second row and third column. Then write down the remaining element in determinant way like it 1, 2, 1, 4. 1, 2, 1 4 अच्छा 1 2 1 4 similarly we have to now find out m 3 1 अच्छा 3 1 means कौन third row and first column अच्छा third row this is the third row and first column then we have to write down or deleting the first row, third row and first column then remaining element can be write down in return like 2 1 or 2 2 1 4 2 similarly m32 third row second column 1 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 now m33 can be in the third row and third column and 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1 now we have to find out the values of m11 m12 m13 so m11 the value of m11 is 1 into 2 principal diagonal elements from multiplication minus off diagonal elements from multiplication that is 3 into 4 so 2 minus 12 that is minus 10 now calculate this 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1 that is 4 minus 3 that is 1 so m1 1 2 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 also m13 13 means the 2 into 4 minus 1 into 1 so that 8 minus 1 7 now m21 calculate this 2 into 2 minus 4 into 1 this 4 minus 4 it is 0 now m22 calculated by 1 into 2 minus 1 into 1 that is 1 so m23 is 1 into 4 1 into 4 minus 1 into 2 that is 4 minus 2 next we have to find out m31 that is 2 into 2 minus 4 into 1 that is 4 minus 4 0 m32 like is 1 into 3 minus 2 into 1 into 1 into 1 principal diagonal element from multiplication minus off diagonal elements from multiplication so 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2 so 1 minus 4 minus 3 so that now we have to find out the m11 m12 m13 m21 m22 m23 m31 m32 m33 this is the minor of given determination now to find cofactor in minor को the general representation करा जाए general representation Mij अच्छा Mij means the minor of respective row with respective columns that is Mij like it ith row jth column like it minor of the row jth column ith row jth column since m11 means first row and m12 means first row or second column m13 means first row third column this is the way to find the minor of the given determinants now you have to find out the cofactor of the determinants and how to find its cofactor the minor find out करिया बे हेले कौन करिया m11 माने कौन डायरेक्ट फाइंड आउट करले कि ताले जे m11 इन फर्स्ट रो इन फर्स्ट कॉलम को हमें डिलीट कर दवा let be deleted. Then the rest element to कौन करवा determinant way रे हमें find out करवा m1 similarly m1 to m13. Now to find out the cofactor. The cofactor means cofactor of the determinant is अच्छा डिनोटेड करा जाए कौन ना ए आई जे और कोफैक्टर को सी आई जे और सी आई जे कैन बी डिनोटेड एंड फाइंड आउट इज -1 to the power I plus j into mij. This is the process to find out the cofactor of the determinant. Like as aij, we have to denote it as capital letter aij or cij equal to, and how to find the formula is -1 to the power I plus j. I means respective row and j means respective column into mij. अच्छा mij means আমি सब m11 m12 m13 पाइछु नहीं যেটা এলিমেন্ট আছে প্রত্যেক এলিমেন্ট रो अच्छा सेमति पाइबा कोन ना कोफैक्टर पाइबा वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कोफैक्टर each and every element of the determinant in ci c11 কিন্তু পাই আমরা -1 to the power 1 means first row and first column अच्छा কিন্তু লিখবে না first row in c11 means first row and first column. That is how to find the -1 to the power I plus j. The meaning of I plus j means 1 plus 1 into m11 mij ଅଛି କି ନାହିଁ mij that is m11 that is I equal to 1 j equal to 1 to the where Cij by C11 equal to -1 to the power 1 plus 1 into m to the power 1 m11 that is देखो क्लियर करबा तो लिखे से लिखा अच्छा m11 ऐसा m11 केते अछि हमरो ना -10 अच्छा -1 to the power 1 plus 1 that is 2 1 plus 1 that is 2 into m11 that is -10. So -1 to the power 2 is what into -10. So that m11 equal to -10 and c11 equal to also -10. And देखिबा एमती पाइबा कोफैक्टर ऑफ द डिटरमिनेंट्स कंटिन्यू करियो